Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you love playing Brawl Stars on your mobile device, you might want to enjoy it on a bigger screen like your PC. The good news here is that you can easily play Brawl Stars on your computer, whether you want to play through the official Google Play Store or using an Android emulator or even some other alternative methods. So here in today's video, I'm going to walk you through some of the simple steps for downloading and playing Brawl Stars on your PC. So whether you are using the Play Store or any emulator or any other method, these solutions will help you to get started in no time. But before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned in this video down in the description. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the first and the easiest method is to download Brawl Stars directly from the Google Play Store on your PC. It's a quick process and you don't need to install any emulator for this one. You just have to open any of your browsers in your PC or in your laptop, and here in the search bar you need to just search for Google Play Store. Now once you are in your Google Play Store, you just have to search for the Brawl Stars application and you will see an installation button over here. You just have to click on install and it will first ask you to sign in into your account. So you just have to click on the sign in option and you need to sign in into your Google Play Store account. Then you will see the install button activated. So you need to click on the install button and its setup will be installed in your device, and from here you can start playing it very easily. If your PC is connected to a virtual Android device, or if you have a Chrome extension set up, you can play it directly from your PC. So once it is installed, you can start playing Brawl Stars on your PC without needing any emulator. In the second solution, what you can do is you can simply use an emulator. So if the first method doesn't work for you, you are facing any kind of problem in the first method, the next solution that I can recommend you, that most of the people use in order to actually play Android games into your PC, is you can actually use an emulator. You will find a bunch of different emulators on the internet like BlueStack, LD Player, etc. But I would highly recommend you to download and install BlueStack. So you need to first of all open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to just search for BlueStack. So you will find the first link from bluestack.com and it is their official website. Over here you will see the download option, so you just have to click on the download option, and according to your system it will be downloading in your device. So you just have to download the setup and install it in your device. After that, in BlueStack you need to just open Google Play Store, and there you need to again log in into your account just like you did in your web browser. After that you will see the install button, so simply click on that install button, and after the installation you can just start opening and playing it within that emulator within BlueStack. So BlueStack is one of the most popular Android emulators, as I said earlier, and it offers a smooth gaming experience with customization options that actually suits your preferences. Now you can even use Nox Player. This is the another alternative to BlueStack. So you can just use the search bar in the top and you can search for Nox Player, and it is very lightweight. So once you are on bignox.com, you can download this particular Nox Player in your device. Then again the steps are simple. You just have to launch it and go to Google Play Store app. There you need to sign in into your account with the help of your email address, and you can search for Brawl Stars and you can install the application in your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.